Oh, good morning, Diedrichs and Dolphins. My name is Samuel Clemens, but you probably know me better as Mark Twain, and I am here for today's holiday, National Frog Jumping Day. Now, you are probably wondering what National Frog Jumping Day has to do with me, Mark Twain. Well, you see, I wrote a very famous story called The Notorious Frog of Calaveras County in November of 1865, and it was published on December 16th of the same year, which naturally means that May the 13th is the perfect day to celebrate it. Well, you may as well just celebrate it on April Fool's Day for all it matters, for April 1st is the one day that reminds us of who we are for the other 364 days of the year. But let us be thankful for the fools. But for them, the rest of us could not succeed. You see, my foolish little story about a frog jumping contest has inspired the annual frog jump in Angels Camp in Calaveras County, California, every year on this date. The world record is actually held by a frog named Rosie the Ribbiter, who jumped 21 feet, 5 3/4 inches back in 1986. Speaking of frogs, if it is your job to eat a live frog, it is best to do it first thing in the morning. And if your job is to eat 2 frogs, it is best to eat the biggest one first. Do you understand that? No? Oh, well, really, I suppose I may explain it a bit. You see, if you must do something that is unpleasant, you should get it over quickly, so you can go on about your day. See, that's not as funny when I say it that way. Explaining humor is a lot like dissecting a frog. You learn a lot in the process, but in the end, you kill it. Speaking of humor, how about some jokes? Why are frogs so happy? Because they eat whatever bugs them. How does a frog feel when he has a broken leg? He feels unhappy. And what happened to the frog's car when his parking meter expired? It got towed. I sure hope you understand those. You see, the more you explain it, the less I understand it. Happy Frog Jump Day. Back to the Diedrichs and crew.